everybody, welcome to a new tutorial. This time we're doing a miniature vending machine or a squishy machine for your LPS, Dollhouse or even Shopkins. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and keep watching. We will need to draw and cut 7 pieces that we are going to put together with a sticky glue. The secret behind a really clean cut is how sharp your tool is, and you need to work slowly. This one is one of the 2 pieces that are 6 by 6. We will use these pieces for the front and the back part of the vending machine. We will need 2 pieces like this. One is going to be the top opening and the second one will be the part where the squishies are going to fall. This part is going to be the side opening that is going to open and close to let the squishies fall. Don't forget to add a plastic sheet in this part to simulate the glass of the vending machine. You can decorate your vending machine with anything that you like. If you want to paint, I recommend using a spray paint, or if you don't have it, then acrylic paint. I forgot to add the plastic sheet at the beginning, but you can also add that at the end like me and cover the edges with paint. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. If you have any requests for future videos, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I upload 2 videos every week. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. You're awesome. Bye bye.